I here in Silicon Valley, every other person has a Tesla. I'll tell you a story about Teslas.
That leads on to our very last question for the fun stuff, which is, are you familiar with Elon Musk and his strange business practices? Or maybe strange is not the correct word, but do you think, what do you think of all that stuff that Elon's been up to with SpaceX? And
He's a character, I will say that. He has some really awesome ideas, like his solar roofs.
yes, he does.
That and I here in Silicon Valley, every other person has a Tesla. I'll tell you a story about Teslas that might be a little more entertaining than anything I might say about Elon Musk's strange business ventures, because I really don't know much about his strange business ventures. So my parents were I think backing out of a parking lot, and they inadvertently bumped into a Tesla. So so they were at the the local swimming pool. So they parked the car, they got out of the car, and they went to the swimming pool, and they went to the first lane, and people were swimming in lanes, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so my mom waits for the person to swim up and says, "Excuse me, do you have a Tesla?" And the person says, "Is it the white one?" No, it wasn't the white one. So she goes to the next lane. The person swims up and she says, "Excuse me, do you have a Tesla? Is it the red one?" No, it wasn't the red one. So the person swims off. So she goes to the next lane. "Excuse me, do you have a Tesla? Is it the blue one?" So 3 people in a row swimming in the swimming pool each had Teslas. That tells you about how many Teslas are in this community. That's my story. So anyway, it was the blue one. So they exchanged, information to deal with insurance, blah, blah.